Nokia 6.1 is the successor to the popular Nokia 6 with improvements in performance owing to a new processor and a better camera, now powered by Zeiss optics. The phone has a distinctive design and comes in the color blue gold. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 mobile platform coupled with 4 GB of RAM, improving the performance. Nokia 6.1 also has 64 GB of onboard storage, expandable up to 256 GB with a micro SD card. The body is crafted out of a single piece of aluminum, delivering a strong and durable build. The fingerprint sensor at the back of the phone warrants for easy unlocking. Nokia 6.1 has a bright 5.5-inch Full HD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The phone comes with a 16-megapixel back camera capable of recording videos in a 4K resolution and an 8-megapixel front camera. With the dual sight mode, you can shoot images and videos from both cameras simultaneously. Record better sound in all your videos with Nokia Spatial Audio powered by 2 microphones. As part of the Android One program, the phone runs on the latest version of stock Android, Oreo 8.0. This ensures that the phone comes with no unnecessary apps that might slow it down and makes certain that you get the latest updates and security patches. The phone is powered by a fast-charging 3000 mAh battery that charges up to 50% in 30 minutes. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery and payment through your debit or credit card.